Welcome to the video series that's all about climbing the ladder of vibration and manifesting the life of your dreams. Today, I want to talk to you about the difference between being an entrepreneur and a wantrepreneur. Now, we all know that person who has the dream and has a business goal and something that they want to accomplish, and they're all enthusiastic initially about it, and then a month goes by and they're still planning and they're still organizing and they're still making charts and they're still researching and they're still debunking anything that comes along that might be some type of a myth that is going to keep them from the success that they are heading toward. And then you've got the other side of the coin, the entrepreneur, who comes up with this idea and jumps into it full force and is off and running and is creating a list, but is systematically checking off one item after another, after another, after another. And yes, that person may run into a goal or a stumbling block, but they manage to maneuver around it and continue on. And then you've got the wantrepreneur, who is still sitting over there in month 3 and month 4, and they're talking about their dreams and their vision, and they're talking about how they've outlined it, and now they're getting ready to take the next step. And if this happens, then it's going to be time to do that. And when this occurs, it is then going to give them an opportunity to challenge this next thing that's going to come along. And they go through this series that 6-9 months down the line, they still want to do what they're talking about. But that's all it amounts to, is they've just been talking and not taking any action. Whereas the entrepreneur has been motoring along the path the entire time and making things happen and taking action and staying focused, but not overanalyzing it and falling into the problem of what's called analysis paralysis, where you're overthinking so many different things that you never really accomplish anything. I don't want that for you. If you are an entrepreneur, I want you to succeed. I don't want you 6 months from now to be a wantrepreneur. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, show me some love, and leave a comment below and let me know if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions for a future video. And if you know of anyone who would benefit from today's message, please feel free to share it with them. And until next time, keep climbing the ladder of vibration.